Good morning, everyone, and happy Black Friday. As you are standing in line for your 50-inch Vizio LCD TV, we'd like to bring you a little special gift. I'm Teddy.
I'm Rob.
I'm Chris.
Mother of...
I've been here the whole time. I've just been over there.
I thought I recognized you.
So welcome everybody to the. I think we're going to call this the Shame Room. We've been putting this together all season quietly. I'm Chris. I've been the producer and the editor behind the Game Room, and it's been my pleasure to give you the best version of the esports news that is coming up both out of Lackawanna College, out of NACE, out of ECAC, wherever we can get the best esports news from. But it's not. We don't always. You get the best of the best. It doesn't always start that way. So we've been.
How much can you polish a turd?
Let's find out.
I think after today we're gonna find out because I've been putting together some of the funniest things, some of the things that make me laugh in the editing booth the most. Even though I've seen them, when I get them back in camera and I start editing, they still make me laugh. These are the things that you don't see. These are the bloopers. These are the missteps. These are if Teddy flubs an outro a couple times in a row, and you can see the frustration build.
Happened today.
But we hope you enjoy it. We hope it gives you a little bit more of an appreciation of how much work goes into giving you a great product every single week. And we'll be back with a full episode on Friday, December 13th, with a special celebrity in-person interview. That we're not going to reveal just yet, but come back, check it out. We promise it'll be worth it.
Yeah, special guest. And also, the week of the 6th, we should have a nice little team-tage or team highlight video created by our very own Matthew West.
Thank you so much for tuning in every single week. We're going to be back in the spring semester. We're going to change some things up and give you an even better show. But thanks so much for enjoying the Game Room. So from everybody here, I'm Chris.
I'm Teddy.
I'm Rob.
And thank you for playing. Hey, thanks. I was like, it's coming. It's coming.
It was so close.
All right. So from everybody here at the Game Room, I'm Chris.
I'm Teddy.
I'm Uncle Bobbert.
And thank you for playing.
Welcome to the Game Room, where we talk about esports and esports accessories. What? Bobby.
God dang it, Bobby.
God dang it. Now come sit with Papa Asker children. Oh, son of a Chris. Jesus Christ. Son of a
Super serious.
super serious stone face.
I haven't seen her smile since I've been working here, folks.
Don't look directly into her eyes.
I have yet to make eye contact with her, Robert.
I only look at her through a mirror. Unique New York. Unique New York.
The Human Torch was denied a bank loan.
Ow, son of a... My God. Projecting voice. I'm in theater mode, damn
I can't
it.
control the sound of my voice.
A dramatic... Pause!
Hello, everyone, and blah, blah, blah.
Looking at you.
Sure.
Looking at me. Looking at him.
I think he wants to be me doing you.
I have to wear a mask.
If you look like me.
First and foremost, we wanted to cover the Carball Summer Series. Jesus, Mary, and Joseph.
So, what type of facility...
And once again...
You have to say, I'm Teddy.
Oh, that's right. I'll do it over. And once again, we want to thank you for... What? Chest out?
Gotta put your back in the chair.
Yeah, exactly.
So it looks like you
Posture.
have
My posture is perfect, trust me. One, we ran recently an event with a local AAA baseball team of ours, the Scranton Wilkes-Barre. Alright, where are we? Yep, where are we? Who am I? Yep. And from all of us here at blah blah blah, blah 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 blah. Hello my baby, hello my darling. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of The Game Room, episode 4. We have a special...
Who are you?
Yeah, it was your fault. And we have another special. Like where? What?
I'm the scat man.
I can't, I'm in rare form today, Chris. Dude, I gotta stop drinking that.
You're done with espresso.
I'm like,
You're
I can
buzzing,
feel
just
my nerves.
That's why I just stick to a full pot of coffee.
All right, in today's patch notes, we want to cover. Welcome to the patch notes.
I heard it. Did the mics pick it up?
What, Matt? You ready for me, buddy? Of course. Ooh, I should have said absolutely.
Don't make me look like an idiot.
The first and most important part of being a good student athlete is being a good student. Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln? Teddy Clinton.
Wait,
Michael Scott.
Michael Scott.
All right, and that's going to do it for us here at the game room. I'm Teddy.
I'm Rob.
And thank you for playing.
I looked at that camera.
I looked at that camera.
Son of a
I'm just here staring at the camera.
Make sure to smash that like button. Hit subscribe and punch that bell so that you get notifications for new episodes of the game room. Right
Or
here.
don't.
Son of a
Oh, I didn't know he was actually doing it, sorry.
Make sure you smash that like button, hit subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section. We'll try to get back to you as best we can, but make sure to punch that bell so that I sound like a YouTuber, but that's not good. Hey guys, it's your boy. I'm Rob.
I'm Ned. All right, and for everybody here at the game, I'm gonna do that again. Whatever.
Give me them biddies. Biddies. Hundreds. Right?
Well, yeah, because you were in it. Anytime we have like a youngin affiliated with it, they're just gonna jump at it. Cause they're like, oh, Matt West.
I don't have hair up here, so I brush the hair here.
Can you hear me now?
Never pause. I never freeze.
Does it get more? They do.
I am a diva, god.
From everyone here at the game room, I'm Teddy.
I'm Rob.
And thank you for playing. Thank you.
Son of a It was so perfect up until that moment.
I didn't do anything. Stop. I can't. Why do I do that? I lean in every time. I subconsciously thought about leaning in, and then I leaned in anyway. I'm gonna stay back. Someone glue my to the back of the seat.
So we're gonna start a new segment we call the game night hot take. That's not a thing.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
And from everyone here at the game room, I'm Teddy.
Did you want? I'm Rob.
Are you gonna do it like that? I'm Robert.
Stop sticking your tongue through the hole. Should I try Kevin Conroy or Bale?
Batman doesn't have that problem. I can turn it off whenever I want, but today isn't that day, and tomorrow won't be either.
I know, it's ridiculous, isn't it? I love it. Oh my god. This is like one of my favorite, like, just stupid things that I've ever bought.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Bored.
Yeah.
All right, and that's gonna do it for everyone here at the All right, that's gonna do it here for. What am I doing?
Okay.
It's too late. Get me out of here, Chris. Shut it down.
I'm so tired.
All right, that's gonna do it for all of us here at the game room. We want to thank Addison Miller from the CSN for joining us.
What's your name?
I'm Teddy.
I'm Rob.
And thank you for playing.
What is your name?
You could literally, you could do the dial-up. You could do the dial-up sound. Ted.exe has failed. All right, ready?
So many words! All of the words!
How did you want me to start it? What's up, everyone? Welcome back to episode number 9 of the Game Room. I'm Teddy.
I'm Rob.
What's up, everyone, and welcome back to episode number 9 of the Game Room. I'm married.
Hey, Teddy, what's that shiny thing on your finger?
Nothing. What's up, everyone, and welcome back to episode number 9 of the Game Room. I'm married.
I am, too. Sam. Nope, that didn't work. Me too. I'm just not allowed to do my Japanese voice.
Troy and Abed in the morning.
Troy and Abed shooting lava. And in regional news, ECAC group play ended this week. What groups are we in? No.
And
thank you for
playing.
we didn't double up on the thank you for playing. Let's do that over again.
Good morning. It is I, Big Daddy Teds. Some of you may know me as Teddy.
Today on This American Life. We're on NPR all of a sudden.
Well, we're tanning right now. I bet the top of your head is tan from sitting here every Tuesday.
Everything that, excuse me.
You
Save
sound
me
like
too.
a Muppet.
I ask Chris that every time, and he doesn't do it.
Take off some weight
take
and
10
add some
pounds
hair.
off because I look fat.
Cool. All right, and that's gonna do it for us. All right, that's gonna do it for episode 11 of the Game Room. We want to make a huge shout out and double thanks to Dr. Clint Kennedy for putting up with our technician. My mom's distracting me. Sorry. We hope that everyone tuned in, and I don't know where I'm going with this. So what the f*** is my problem? So much information. We hope that it is
Stuck on a loop.
I need to do a lap.
Keeps getting stuck on a loop.
I got it. One take, Drake. All right. All right. Okay.